Guys, how's it going out there? Rooster and 10, roostercb.com. Just a real quick demo video for a customer. This is a customer requested test video before this ships out. Superstar 148 Pro. This is their strictly AM powerhouse radio. So has all the good features on it: echo, talkback, variable dead key control, dimmer. You can make it as bright as you want where it knocks your eyes out, or dim it down there. We got it in the medium spot, but nice radio. Probably one of my favorites from Ranger. For one, I love the look of it. I like the silver with the black. Big Raiders fan, by the way. Might be one reason why I like the color scheme. I also like the signal meter on it. One of the best looking signal meters they ever made. Yo! Alright, so your talkback's working, your echo is working. We'll test the receive real quick, just our little quick receive test we like to do. So you can see the receive's working on it. Okay, 14.9 volts is our test voltage. And we'll turn the RF power all the way down. We're going to test it on average power and PEP, and then we'll jump over here to the clamp meter and see what it's drawing at the end of the video. All right, let's get on with the show and get this one wrapped up and shipped out to the customer. I do have one more of these available right now. No wait time, essentially. They're always available for pre-order, but again, if you don't want to wait that time for the prepay, I have one ready right now. All right, average power first. Bottom scale. Hello. So keying basically nothing, swinging like 120 average, which is a good sign. Let's go to 10 o'clock with the RF power. Hello. All right, almost 200. 12 o'clock. Hello. All right, that's probably where you want to run it if you're running it by itself. That's about a 60 watt dead key, halfway open. Hello, audio. Swinging 200 average. Now let's say you just want to go crazy and turn it wide open. Not recommended. Hello, audio. Hello. Over 200 average from about 100 watt dead key. Now, let's test our clamp meter. We'll go ahead and look at it before we go to PEP. Hello, audio, 35 amps, give or take. Back over to the watt meter. This is going to be peak power. Let's see a little swing in that thing. Audio, 1, 2, 3, audio. What do you guys want to call that? 580, 575? Now what I'm going to do is turn the RF power back to 12 o'clock. Audio, 111, audio, almost 600 watts. And then all the way down, okay? Hello, audio. All right, 575, 580. Now, what I want to show you guys, again, I do this all the time just to kind of show something that some people won't show you. Let's go over to the clamp meter and see what it's drawing. You say, well, you've already shown what it draws on the clamp meter. Why would we want to see it again? I showed you what it was drawing on the clamp meter with the RF power wide open. Now remember, wide open, we're swinging about 200 watts average, 600 PEP, 575 PEP, something like that. All right, all the way down, we're still swinging 575 PEP, but we're only doing like 100 average. Let's see if it makes a difference. Hello, wowee. Imagine that. 25 amps versus 35 amps. So there again, case in point. When people tell you that average power doesn't mean anything, and the only thing you need to look at is PEP, I want you to remind them of what you saw in this video. That goes for amplifiers, radios, everything. You got these radios that are doing all these gigantic PEP numbers, but they don't have any kind of average power to back it up. It's wasted power, essentially. It's a lot of show, but no go. All right, so average power is what you want. Average power is what you get. Superstar SS148 Pro. Big difference between 100 watts average, 600 PEP, and 200 watts average and 600 PEP. The PEP doesn't change. The average power does, and you get all that extra current draw. More current draw equals more power. Alrighty, guys. Superstar 148. Thanks, everybody. RoosterCB.com. See you. Bye.